Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Itutuloy natin yung ating final tutorial. Dito, ang ating gagawin ay kung paano ba tayo mag-encode ng ating data na ginather sa ating research or yung sa ating result ng examination. Like for example, itong ating assignment last time sa CTT, yung 14 students, score ninyo ito. Tapos mayroon tayong 35 items. Ayan. So, ano ang ating gagawin? 35 items and then 14 students. Sabihin natin, quiz 2 yata ito. So, a data row is a person and the first person label column is on the first column. Sabihin natin na dahil tayo ay 14, so dalawa yung length ng column na ating gagamitin. And number of data rows, so ilan ba yung nag-take ng exam? That is 14. And number of data columns, so that is to include yung column na ginamit natin para ilagay yung pangalan ng ating mga estudyante. So 35 items plus 2, 37. Dagdag pa tayo na isa pang blanco para maihiwalay lang natin yung pangalan. So you can play around with that. So we can place here 38. Yan. So the column is an item. The first item column is saan natin ilalagay yung ating unang item column? Siguro doon sa dito sa column number 4. And then the number of items 35 tayo. And column per response isa lang, and the valid codes are 1 and 0. And then let's just refresh the data. And ayun, kumpleto na tayo. So what we're just going to do is to highlight the dichotomous data which we generated automatically ito doon sa ating Moodle. And then we paste it. So we already have a data sheet. And then let's just try to label the students as student 1 apps. And then this one is student 2. This one is student 3, student 4, student 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we have 14. So, anong gagawin ko dito? Okay. So, may naisingit tayo dito. So, paano natin ito tatanggalin? Ayun lang, ikakat lang natin and paste. So, that's it. So, kompleto na yung ating data. And let's just save our data. Save our data. Siguro ilagay natin dyan, quiz 2. So we're just going to analyze it now. We produce our reliability indices. So exit to analysis, and then when you are prompted with that, just enter, and then enter. And there are so few iterations, and the person reliability is 0.75. So ibig sabihin the test measures reliably the ability of the person, but when it comes to item, the reliability is 0.6. Mas mababa siya kaysa sa 0.7. Ang tawag rin dyan ay yung person separation index or the person reliability index and the item separation or the item reliability indices. So I guess we need to check on some of the items. Baka there are items that are redundant. So the next thing that we're going to do is to produce the bubble chart. Okay, so display a bubble chart for. So you can check here whether you're going to produce the bubble chart for the person, or for the item, or for both. So ito ay mga standardized na mga data na kailangan para ma-measure natin yung ating or makaproduce tayo ng ating bubble chart. So i-click na lang natin and then entry number and then let's just wait for it to be launched sa ating ayun, we're able to produce our bubble map. So we just have to look at the bubble with the largest size, this one, and then right click it and then click format data series and then reduce the bubble size to 60 and then that's it. This is now our bubble chart. So kung ating titingnan dito, this is the infit statistics standardized, -2 to +2. So any item that is within this scale means that it's it's within the fit, no? The item is within the fit. Kaya siguro nagkaroon tayo ng mababang reliability sa item because of this item number 18. There are so many items that can be found here, no, which are the easiest item, and then we have item number 34 as the most difficult. I-check na natin si item number 18. Item number 18 asks about PISA in the 2018 PISA of the 79 economies that participated, the Philippines rank. So it's about the ranking of the Philippines in the 3 exams on reading comprehension, mathematics, and science. So medyo siguro mayroong matalino na nagmali, no, doon sa item na yon, which we don't expect kasi madali lang naman talaga yung item supposedly. At kasi nasa ano siya, average yung kanyang logit value is almost sa 0. Or siguro mayroong mahina na nasagot yon. That's why the item becomes unpredictable or erratic. And for the easy items, ang dami. There are so many easy items. But this one is very distinct. Item number 34, the most difficult item of all. And the item is about number 34. Oh, it's about Auntie Linda. According to Darling Hammond in her TED Talk, the most in-demand skill is about, so marami ang sumagot ng parang critical thinking skills or higher order thinking skills, but it's actually complex communications. So let us go to the values of the measures. So we have items 1 to 35, and then these are the item measures or what we call the logit values for the item. And there are so many easy items, no, negatively valued, negative 2.79, number 7, number 9, number 10. Pero meron pa bang bababa rito? Oh, ang daming madadaling items. So, siguro nagre-redundant na nga yung ating data, kaya kailangan let us have a visual inspection of the test at medyo tatanggalin natin yung ibang mga items na to, baka dumoble. And then for the fit indices, dito, yung pinakamahirap na item is item number 34. Ang kanyang logit value ay 4.76. Ayan. So, mahirap talaga siya. And as to the infit statistics, ang ating cutoff dito ay -2 to +2. So, item number 18 is a misfit. And as to the standard error, ang daming malalaki yung mga error size. Okay, 1.0, 1.8, yung mga matataas na error size. Alright, so that's the bubble chart. We can also run both the item and the person so that we can compare them. So we have this one. Yung kulay blue dito, yun na yung sa person, no? So let's reduce the bubble size. Kasi 14 tao. Okay. And this one are the items. Okay. Tingnan natin. So, nakikita natin dito yung person at saka item fit. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is to produce the right maps. So, dun tayo sa output tables and then we do the item map. Okay, and this is what we found out. So, reduce the size to 6. Liit ah. Okay, so this is our right map, table 12. So, nakikita natin yung item numbers dyan. These are the easy items. Baba ng easy items natin. This is the mean of the item, while this one is the mean of the examinees. That means that our examinees are better than the items kasi hindi nagmatch eh. And the logits are this one, the logit value. So this is the logit scale. Sino-sino kaya itong mga nag-take na to? So this one ay item number 34, pinakamahirap, pero may isang estudyante na mas magaling sa item number 34. Sabihin may naka-perfect sa exam na to, which is Marwin. Siguro ito si Alvin ito. Medyo malayo yung score ng dalawa dito sa karamihan. And we noticed that there are items that share the same level of difficulty, and then we have to examine and double check this whether these items are just a repetition of unnecessary repetition and is redundant. Kaya kailangan nating i-visual inspection yan. So this is the right map. Okay? So siguro kapag kayo ay pag kayo ay inassign or sa inyong assignment you're asked to produce the right map, you can screenshot this or you can use the snipping tool. Okay. Sa inyong laptop and you can cut this part and then save that as an image or paste that sa Word para sasabihin natin right map. Okay. So it has already been converted into an image file. So I guess you can work around more on the different tutorials na nauna gawin nyo rin dito to play with the data. So that's it. Good morning.